to flash flood. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near German Valley to near Mount Morris to near Oregon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Byron, Oregon, and Pecatonic around 8:40 p.m. Winnebago and Stillman Valley around 8:45 p.m. Rockford Airport, and Davis Junction around 8:50 p.m. Loves Park, McChesney Park, and Cherry Valley around 9 p.m. Roscoe and Rockton around 9:05 p.m. South Beloit around 9:10 p.m.